Friendly's, Southern Maine, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep. This is number 48. Yeah. Sits way low like that. And then here we have number 4. Also another one that sits really super low.
You are? Do you know how to do it?
Cool.
Oh, is that what? Oh, is it?
Huh. All right. So here you have a few more. Then on this side here we have number 7, which is kind of cool. Monte Carlo. All right, look at that. And check the inside of this one a little bit. We're at the sports show at the Civic Center, and they just had a beautiful carpet kind of competition going on here. Friendly's. This is 94. All right.
Yeah, he was a rookie last year.
Huh. That's cool. It's Friendly's. All right. Oh, this one's got a lot of stickers on it all over the place. A lot of sponsors. All right. What number is this one? Oh, this one's 39. Oh, Lord, they got a nice postcard. Cool. 39. Nice. Cafe menu? Yeah. All right, there you go.